Looking for a bartender kit without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best bartender kits under $50, ranked. Number 5 is the HMY BAR 22-piece cocktail shaker set, a fantastic value at just $22 with a 4.8 rating. It comes with 39 recipe cards and glass markers, perfect for beginners and entertaining guests. The only downside is it's a newer product, so it has fewer reviews than some of our top picks. Coming in at number 4 is the Boston Bar Tools 23-piece cocktail set, priced at $33. This kit features true Boston shakers, the style most professional bartenders prefer, along with leak-proof 18/8 stainless tools and whiskey stones. Just know that Boston shakers can take a little practice to seal and open effectively. Our number 3 pick is the KINGROW 23-piece bartender kit with stand, also at $33. This is one of the most complete kits on our list, featuring 23 pieces of 304 stainless steel that are leak-proof and rust-proof, all organized on an acrylic stand. The only minor drawback is the acrylic stand feels less premium than a wooden one. At number 2, we have the MixMate 15-piece mixology bar set with stand, a beautiful choice at $30. With a sharp 4.8 star rating, its dark wood stand and gift box make it an excellent present. And it even comes with a 2-year guarantee. It is a smaller kit than some others, with 15 pieces. Our top pick, the best overall bartender kit under $50, is the KITESSENSU cocktail shaker set with stand, priced at $32. This set boasts over 4,000 ratings and features thick 18/8 stainless steel that resists rust and dents, beautifully displayed on a wood stand. While the tools are good, they aren't top-shelf professional grade. So there you have it, our top 5 bartender kits under $50. The KITESSENSU cocktail shaker set with stand takes our number 1 spot for its overall quality and popularity. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.